Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. I am Nur Arsmat binti Muhammad Yatim, the matric J21A0A87. So today I would like to share the solution of question number 1. So question number 1 is Ahmad made a rectangular block for his final year project which has dimension 2t cm by 3t cm and the volume is 1800 cm. The first one, prove that the total surface area is A equal 12t power of 2 plus 3000 over t. So we find volume of rectangular blocks equal length multiply width multiply height. So 3t multiply 2t multiply ht equal 1800. 6t power of 2 multiply ht equal 1800. ht equal 1800 slash 6t power of 2. ht equal 300 slash t power of 2. The surface area A, area of front and back plus area of top and base plus area of left and right. So 2 bracket 3t multiply ht plus 2 3t multiply 2t plus 2 bracket 2t multiply ht equal 12t power of 2 plus 3000 slash t. So the question number 2, to find at stationary value A, dA slash dt equal 0. So A equal 3000 slash t plus 12 t equal t power of 2. dA slash dt equal 3000 t power of negative 1 plus 12 t power of 2. So t equal 5. So the value of t equal 5 when A has a stationary value. 3 Romans, find value of A. A equal 3000 slash t plus 12 t2. Put t as 5 in equations. A equal 3000 slash 5 plus 12 bracket 5 power of 2. A equal 900 cm. 900 cm. A is a minima or a maximum. So dA slash dt equal negative 300 t power negative 2 plus 24 t. D power of 2 A slash dt power of 2 equal 6000 t power negative 3 plus 24. D power of 2 A slash dt power of 2 equal 6 slash t power of 3 plus 24. D2 d power of 2 A slash dt power of 2 equal 6000 slash 5 power of 3 equal 24. D power of 2 A slash dt power of 2 equal 72. 72 is larger than 0. This is mean A is minimum has value when t equal 5. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Roiza Hanisa binti Zulhaidi. My matric number is J21A0936. So I'm going to present question number 2. The question is, Mega Holding manufacture a cylindrical bolognese sauce can with a volume of 250 cm3. The cost of material for two circular ends and material for the side is Rm 0.0008 or 0.0008 square and Rm 0.0015 or 0.0015 cm square respectively. So the first question is, show the function for the cost of material of a cylindrical bolognese sauce can. So the solution is, the area of two circular ends is 2 pi r square and the area of the side is 2 pi rh. So the cost function of materials of cylindrical can is C equal to 0.0016 pi r square plus 0.03 pi rh. So formula volume of cylinder is pi r square h. In the question was given 250, a volume of cylindrical bolognese sauce can. So 250 equal to pi r square h, and the substitute h equal to 250 divide pi r square, put into a cost function, and the answer is pi r square divide 625 plus 3 divide 4r. The second question is, find the sizing that can minimize the cost of material for bolognese sauce can. See the equation. C equal to 0.0016 pi r square plus 0.75 divide r. Since 0.0016 greater than 0, the function is a minimum point. Minimum point when dc divide dr equal to 0. So when we simplify the equation, we will get the value of r. R equal to, so the value of r is 4.2097 and r does not equal to 0. Let r equal to 4.2097 put into h equal to 250 divide pi r square. So the value of h equal to 4.4904. The sizing that can minimize the cost of material for the bolognese sauce can is radius equal to 4.2097 cm and height equal to 4.4904 cm. The third question is, sketch the graph of cost Rm versus radius of cylindrical bolognese sauce can and show the minimum point. So the first step is C equal to pi r square divide 625 plus 3 divide 4r. Let C equal to 0 in equation. So when we simplify the equation, we will get the value of r. R equal to negative 5.3039 and r does not equal to 0. When we get all of this value, we can sketch the graph of cos Rm versus radius of cylindrical bolognese sauce can and minimum point shows. In the graph. The last question is, calculate the minimum cost. We have equation C equal to pi r square divide 625 plus 3 divide 4r. Let r equal to 4.2097 into equation C and we will get 0.26 7, 2. R equal to negative 5.3039 cannot substitute into equation C because the value of R is negative. The minimum cost of material of a cylinder Bolognese sauce can is Rm 0.2672. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi doctor and my friends, my name is Ganesh Kumar Alexi number matric J218011. Today I am going to presentation about question 3. The question 3 is Ramesh works as a designer in ABC company which produced the miniature bowling pins MBP as given is figure 1. As part of this design, he needs to compute the value of MBP which is made by rotating the function fx equals to 1 per 5 square root negative 6x power of 6 plus 10x power of 4 minus 5x power of 2 plus 1 on the interval 0, 1 along x-axis. The first question is sketch the graph for the function of value MBP. So first of all, we need to find y-intercepts. So we just take the 0, 0 and 1 x-axis. We just replace that 0 and 1 x-axis in the functions that given. So first x equals to 0. So with replace the x value with 0, we will get the point is 0, comma 1 per 5 or 0 0.2 comma 0. Then with replace the x equals to 1, we can get that 0 comma 1 point. After that, we need to differentiate the fx to find the minimum and maximum point. First, we just take the function that given. The function is fx equals to 1 per 5 square root negative 6 power of 6 plus 10 power x power of 4 minus 5 power of 2 plus 1. With then we do step by step. After that 5 of 2 in bracket negative 6 x square power of 6 plus 10 x power of 4 minus 5x power of 2 plus 1 in bracket 1 per 2. That 1 per 2 is that square root. Then we just times that square root that we calculate 1 per 2 with 1 per 5. With that we can get it 1 over 10. So 1 over 10 in bracket negative 36x5 plus 40x3 minus 10x. So with that we just divide with the negative 6x6 plus 10x power 4 minus 5x power 2 plus 1. So with that we do that calculation. Then finally we get it that x in bracket negative 18x power 5 plus 20x power 3 minus 5 equals to 5 square root negative 6 square power of 6 plus 10x power 4 negative 5x power of 2 plus 1. After that we derivative the fx value to equal with 0. So fx so we just put the 0 value in x value to find the derivative value. To solve this solution, we just using u as a x square form. So it will get by negative 18 u power of 2 plus 20 u minus 5 equals to 0. So after that we just use the formula that negative b plus minus square root b power of 2 minus 4 ac divide 2a. So with that u equals to negative in bracket 20 plus minus square root in bracket negative 20 power of 2 minus 4 in bracket 18 and in bracket 5 divide 2 then in bracket 18, so that we can get u equals to 20 plus square root 40 divide 36. After that we just continue. Then after that we just take the x value. Then the x value that we can get is 0.8551. After that with that x equals to 0.8551, we just substitute the calculating x value in the equation. So after we just replace the x value that we get 0.855, then the point that we get is 0.11746. Though that from that we can find the x value. The converting the x value in the table, that we can identify that x equals to 0.8, that is positive, and the x equals to 0.8551 is 0, and the x equals to 0.9 is negative. This is the down drop. Then for the up drop, we need to take x equals to 0.6163, that we include the x value, then we can get it the 0.09269. To converting the x value in the table, we can identify that x equals to 0.6 is negative, and x equals to 0.6163 is the zero value. X equals to 0.62 is the positive value. Then after that we draw the graph. The graph is already drawn. You all can see it. Okay, next second question. The second question is calculate the value of MBP. To find the value, we need to use a value formula. Value equals to integral BA a in bracket x dx, that we are, with this formula we can use the we can find the value. For the area, we need to use the radiation. So to find the area, a equals to radiation in bracket, we just put the function in that bracket, in that formula. After that, to find the value, v equals to, we just use the 1/5 integer 0 1. The 0 1 is that integral that interval that given in question, that x exists. Then we just using the function. After that, to find the value, we just use the formula by using this OR method. Then finally we get it that value is 0.05984. So to find the value, radius per 25 in bracket integer 0 1 in bracket negative 6 x power of 6 plus 10 x power of 6 negative 5 x power of 2 plus 1 and dx. Then with calculating this process, we can get it that value is 0.05984. Thank you.